Spoštovane cenjeni, dober večer. Dobrodošli v prvi oddaji tega novega niza oddaj Radio Live. Studio Hendrix, Radio Koper je bil pretesen, zato smo prišli sem v Studio 3 oziroma v TV3 studio televizije Koper Kapodistrija. Tale studio še nima radijskega imena, zato bomo zdaj mogli najti eno ime. Tisti je Studio Hendrix. Ima kdo kakšen predlog za tale studio? Jimmy, kako? Jimmy. Kako Zdenko? Nekaj, če vam je čedno, je lahko to Studio Chendrix, če vam paše. Naredimo Studio Chendrix, dame in gospodje, v Studiu Chendrix, tisti, ki imajo radi ribe, vem, da se počutite kot sardele in da ste vsi stisnjeni. Riba je tudi na eni izmed njihovih plat. Dame in gospodje, segrejte dlani in naredite prostor za skupino Elvis Jackson! Nekaj bal, ne? Smo ti naredili nekaj bal, da ti bo malo bolj živahno. Buda, kaj ste pripravili za danes?
Sem že vedel. Ja.
Kaj pa kaj slišal? Bom kaj slišal?
Nismo imeli kaj delati in smo prišli na Radio Koper. Hvala Radio Koper. Hvala vsem, ki ste prišli sem. In nadaljevanje sledi.
Boje, da morajo priti bližje.
Kučo.
Če imate radi klubsko sceno, Elvisi so pravi Jacksoni, pridite bližje in se grejte dlani še enkrat za zasedbo Elvis Jackson!
že. Ko je kaj v Kopre? Morje je to. Ko rečejo idrci, ne? Eni grejo na morje, drugi pa na morje, ne? Se zaljubljeni kaj? Jurc, se zaljubljeni kaj? Ne še. Daj času časa, kako je že.
I wake up in the morning and my hands are shaking, so tired I can't feel a thing, but my heart is thumping. I take a look around, but there's nothing I can see. I think I just can't find my identity. I had my life, I'm seeing the light. Now I'm walking all alone like a stranger in the night. I believe in love, and I do believe in love. I believe in love. Oh, oh. Loving is the answer. I wanna believe in love. Everything else just makes no sense to me at all. Love is all around, love can live without, love is all about. But I'm still walking all around with nobody by my side. Still singing, I believe in love, and I do believe in love. Anymore. And I do believe in love. Oh, oh. Please tell me that you feel the same. That loving is your only end, that I'm not alone. Oh, oh. Please tell me that you feel this way. There's nothing else you have to say, that I'm not by my own. So I'm not alone. I'm not alone. I believe in love, and I do believe in love. I believe in love. Oh, oh. I believe in love, and I do believe in love. I believe in love. I believe in love, and I do believe in love. I believe in love. Anymore, anymore. I believe in love, and I do believe in love. Le Payson.
Yes, yeah. Ok, kaj zdaj? Gremo.
Publika? Zbrano občestvo doma, ki gledate sliko SUK, radiokoper.si, gumb stream, tisti, ki nas poslušate, tole je oddaja Radio Live v živo, v studiu Chendrix, skupina Elvis Jackson. Elvisi, kako so publika, so Jacksoni? Ja? Aplavz za nje? Ne, nismo se razumeli. Jacksoni za vas. Publika za Jacksone! Ej, Buda, boje, da imate radi take manjše prostore, klube, Chendrixe in tako dalje.
Ja, smo vajeni takih manjših placov, ker pol tista energija ostane tukaj, ne? Tako da na koncu sicer ostanejo bolečine, zvite noge, hrbti in tako naprej, sam je še zmeraj tista duša nekaj posebne.
Ej, kaj vi veste, da bi skupina Elvis Jackson morala biti z nami maja in Buda, kaj je bilo?
Sem šel na ribolov, najbrž.
Točno. Njegov velik hobi je ribolov, ker si je zlomil nogo. Mimogrede, slišal sem, da ste v Italiji igrali v klubu, kjer so bili ljudje, to je bilo del scene, Boje, da ste igrali v klubu, kjer ste se tako stiskali, da so ljudje skakali skozi okno.
Ja, in vsi preživeli, ne moreš verjeti.
Samo na vašem koncertu.
Ja, to je to, Sherlock Holmes, ja.
A ja, od zunaj notri so skakali. Ne, sej, boje, da če so preveč živahni, da vržete na regiji in da je to to.
To je to. In če preveč polivijo, po tleh vržemo še malo toaletnega papirja.
Hej! Danes bomo snemali tudi video spot, ne sicer sedajle, pri kateri skladbi?
Berto, povej ti, to je...
Berto.
Kaj zdaj?
Berto ne ve nič, vem jaz. Bomo potem več o tem. A se imamo v redu? Do 10 in še čez se bomo imeli. Elvis Jackson Radio Live!
Gremo gor ali dol?
You wanna pay, kicking in the name of the law. And I put my back, I was not really sure. I got to read up a dirty lies. Got to be strong and I gotta realize. Once, twice, big surprise. Enough is enough, let me see your bloody eyes. Get up the car, cause you want your fun. Put your hands on the roof and you gotta be alright. You got the rights, you know what we need. We got a big motor, we gotta find a way. Bring me your chop like I made a crumb. I'm the stir cat of your kind. You feel it? You feel it? Wanna get up in our town, and we don't want you to follow us around. Wanna get up in our town, oh be around, be around, be around. Wanna get up in our town, he's a vicious and listen to the sound. Wanna get up in our town, oh be around, be around, be around. salvation. All I wanted to is open up my eyes. Here I can find my redemption. Here I can find my salvation. All I wanted to is open up my eyes. I can't find my redemption. From the north to the south, from the east to west, the world goes crazy, every day seems to be the last. In the same town, we make by heart, we follow, and we don't wanna know what feels like walking in the circle. And that's in the ride, and if in the trouble, love goes all the way harder. Every day seems like it won't be another. Love goes all the way harder. Every day looks like it won't be another. Guess what, somebody get shot. They took his stuff on the 345. Guess what, somebody get shot. They took his stuff on the 345. Do you feel alright? Can you sleep at night? Bang with this broken traffic light. Quicksand all over the land. Just another kid with a gun in his hand. Everything's fine until the party's over. Everything's fine when it's all just a game. Guess what, somebody get shot. They took his life on the 345. Will we try to make a difference? Will we stay outside and look for a better day? Will we try to find the reason? Will we ever try to find another way? Guess what? Somebody get shot. Take your kids up on the 345. Guess what? Somebody get shot. Take your kids up on the 345. Guess what? Somebody get shot. Somebody get shot. Take your kids up on the 345. Guess what? Somebody get shot.
Je kakšen skater? Piđo. Dobro. Ajmo Piđo, ne? Piđo, ne, no. Evo fantija. Can you feel it? It's everywhere around. So much going on, it's all alone. But you still say that you don't know. Can you hear this? It's still ringing sound around. Do you hear this crying? Reminds you that you feel good to ignore. To pretend that you don't know. But it makes you slap your back. You got this right about you. I'm not here to play. Seems like my job's what it's at. We'll be here to spade the cats. I'm not here to pray. I'll be the sun shining over you. Different faces, different views. No one's really here to lose. Is there anybody else? I wanna taste the feeling, standing in a corner of my deep imagination, wasted all away for another day. Life is not a party. Put your races on the table. That's the only way we can go. I'm not here to pray. And my job is what it's at. We'll be here to spade the cats. I'm not here to pray. I'll be the sun shining over you. I'm not here to pray. Oh, I'm not here to pray. And my job is what it's at. We'll be here to spade the cats. I'm not here to pray. Oh, I'm not here to pray. I'll be the sun shining over you, yeah. Evo en aplavz za Piđota. Piđo, si v redu? Kolena, žive, zdrave, v redu, okej. Zdaj pa, ja, ne plavalke imajo prednost. Tako, ne plavalke na valovih Radio Koper. Ne? Je kakšna ne plavalka, da ne zna plavati? Evo, to je to. Evo, pej. Dajmo en aplavz za Metko. Zdaj, sam na vas je, ali bo splavala ali ne, ne. Ali bo srebrn delfinčk, ali sploh ne bo delfinčk. Ali bo hips. Ok, jaz bom pomagal. Said that she loves me more than I do. It's true, it's true. She said that she's got 3 gymnastics for you. It's true. I love you, I love you. There's something I can tell you, is there? Something I can do. I love Dajmo en aplavz za plavalce in plavalke. Seveda. Vsi živi, zdravi? Okay. Dajmo en aplavz tudi za one doma na kavči. Bravo, bravo, vi. Glavnem, vsako jutro je ista zgodba. Pa je, da to na obali letos, da je bilo groznega krompirja. Je res to? A? Ja? Kaj pa špil in to je? Bo kakšen špil? To. Na obali. Kako je kaj scena in to? Dohaja kaj? A? Ja ne, vi povejte mu. Mi ne smo to. Kako je scena na obali? Dobro, se pravi nekih vmes, v redu. Fina. Mi smo se enkrat stuširali tukaj, lansko leto, se spomnim. V glavnem, če ste posadili, je tudi zraslo. Every morning, similar story. I don't care and I'm not worried. Come on!
In the morning, together. Yeah, 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 yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah. Listening to the wind, listening to the earth. It's time to pay that ground full of herb. Running to plantation and go visit on the job. Inspiration could belong together. Down, 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 down. Every morning, same old story.
Kako se imamo? Kolikokrat ste že igrali tukaj v Kopru? Kolikokrat ste že igrali lete v Kopre?
Malkrat, premalkrat.
Jaz se spomnim enkrat v večnamenski dvorani Bonifika je Berto razbil kitaro. A se še spomniš tega, Berto? Si?
Ne, se ne spomnim, da sem razbil kitaro.
Zato, ker mislim, da si imel eno fake kitaro s sabo in si razbijal.
Kje je to?
Na Bonifiki v Kopru.
Sem bil pijan. Ne se ne spomnim, res ne vem.
Ej, ne vem. Ej, ne vem. Nisi bil ti. Budakaj, vse te blažilce, žoge, blazine imate zato, da ne razbijate stvari najbrž. Ali ne?
Se tu si prinesel.
Veš, zakaj sem to prinesel, da nam ne razbijete studio? Prejle vas je gledal generalni direktor RTV-ja. A je bilo to danes prvič?
Ne vem, nemam pojma.
Ker skupina beleži generalni direktor gledal prvič, gledal drugič. Torej, mislim, nimaš pojma.
Mogoče je van.
Zagotovo ni bilo prvič. Sledi skladba, za katero bomo posneli video spot, o čem govori Viža. Nova na sceni, oziroma ne toliko poznana. Povej, povej.
Na kratko govorijo o after hourju. Tako da pol kasneje, ne, po vsem tem, ne, sledi ta komad v bistvu. Ne.
Ok, to je skladba, ki je sedaj ne boste slišali, vi boste mislili, da jo slišite, ampak slišali jo boste šele, ko boste šli domov.
Tako, nek ta zaja. In potem se boste sprašavali, is there any place to go, ne?
Elvis! Jackson! Ole!
Any place to go. Hvala lepa. V aknu.
I'm here to make you smile, don't get me wrong. I'm here to make you party all night long. I'm not telling you which way to go, which way to go. I just wish you could feel it, and I really want you to see it. It's a beautiful day outside my window. Got nothing to lose. I know all the answers. I don't care which way the wind will blow. I wanna let things go wherever they wanna go. Wherever they wanna go. It's a beautiful day outside my window. Got nothing to lose. I think I know the answers. I don't care what is the price, as long as I can see your eyes and all the small things just between us. And I don't care which way to go, as long as I can play the show, as long as I'm having fun. Singing my song, feel alright. I got my destination. Something's telling me it's way more than imagination. I know it's not a mistake. I'm so glad to be awake. It's a wonderful view. Just me and you. It's a beautiful day outside my window. Got nothing to lose. I think I know the answer. It's a beautiful day outside my window. Got nothing to lose. I think I know the answers.
Proszę. Evo, imamo še en komad, in pa se imamo drugo leto. Je tako? Brez kmrčvarja. Se to je bilo vse na playback, mora. Kaj?
Can see flowers growing up from the snow. Today my feeling is far from love. I'm having a great time, the prime of a lifetime. Ooh, yeah. I can see colors everywhere I turn around. This time I'm going easy. Don't wanna waste the night and day. This time I'll sing, this time I'll drink. This time I spread my feelings. This time I sing. This time I love. This love won't be defeated. I just wanted you to know I'll be there when you're before. This time I sing, this time I dream, this time I spread my feelings. This time I sing. I just wanted you to know I'll be there when you're before you love. Oh, I wanted you to know I'll be there. Na 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 na. This time I sing, this time I dream, this time I spread my feelings. This time I sing, this time I love, this love won't be defeated. I just wanted you to know I'll be there when you're before in love. Oh, I wanted you to know I'll be there. I just wanted you to know I'll be there when you're before in love. Oh, I wanted you to know I'll be there. Na 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 na.
Buda. Ali ima skupina Elvis Jackson rada poročila?
Kaj ne slišim, kaj?
Ali ima skupina Elvis Jackson rada poročila?
Ja, mislim, vse imamo radi, ne, vse za pomal.
Sploh, če so Elvis Jacksoni na poročilih. Poročila sedijo sedaj ob 22. Poslavljamo se od vseh, ki nas spremljajo preko radijskih sprejemnikov. Mi nadaljujemo še nekaj skladb za vse tiste, ki ste na valu oziroma na streamu Radio Koper. In vsi tisti, ki ste tukaj z nami v studiu Chendrix. Tle je ratalo nevarno. Glej, jaz vam prepustim oder, dajte zaključiti, kot veste in znate. Čau. Dekaj, lahko samo to prebereš za konec, prosim te.
Ne bom bral.
Nemastna radijska smetana, lep večer še naprej oddajo Radio Live so pripravili tonski mojster Drago Hrvatin, producentka Ksenja Kos, tehnika v prvi bojni liniji Mitja Maršič in Samuel Simonovič. Posebna zahvala gre lučkarjem televizije Koper. Novo leto je predčasno tukaj, za potisk slikosuka in samih fotografista poskrbela Sebastian Pelan in Alan Nardin. Radijsko občestvo, ave, čau!
Gremo še eno zapojemo vsi v kop in to je to, prav? Kaj bomo zapojili vsi v kop? A? Pičenili pa damo internacijo.
Boste kar sami zapojili. Komad je ta. Dajmo se snaste. Krkin ziki ki reki every day. Yes, I krk. 1, 2, 3, 6.
Celebration.